Whoa, what the hell is this?
What's the matter, jackass? Haven't you ever seen a bird before?
Well, not a talking one. What the hell are you doing in my room? Who are you?
My name is Pinky. I'm a talking bird, and I tell jokes. Wanna hear one?
Okay, I guess.
There's this lady on a plane, and she's a sex addict. So she asks the stewardess, "Hey stewardess, where can I get a good time?" The stewardess says, "Try the cockpit." Hey, get it? Get it?
No, I actually don't get it. Dude, that sucks ass.
You think my jokes suck? You will pay for this. Nobody tells me I suck, okay? Either you start like them, or you're gonna pay with your life.
Are you threatening me? Listen, get the hell out of here. I don't need weirdos like you. Weird word. Ah!
Don't you think you were cool to me? Don't you think you acted badly after I just tried to make you laugh? Don't you think you should pay? Do ya, punk?
How'd you get back? Did I kick you? No, get the hell out. Didn't I tell you to stay out? Fuck off. Damn.
Tweet, tweet, motherfucker.
Okay, what the hell? I just threw you. What the? But how'd you get back in here? What are you?
I want to murder you. You insulted me and my jokes. Now you're going to pay.
Is this what it's all about? Your stupid jokes? Come here, you piece of shit. Die! My God, I just killed a bird. Are you?
Hello, YouTube. From now on, I will take over this channel, and I will be the star of it. From now on, the whole world will be listening to my...
Come here, you piece of shit! Steal my channel, will you little piece of... Fuck! I'm the star of this! You won't steal my show! Die! See who's the master now, you piece of shit! Burn, motherfucker, burn! Burn, motherfucker, burn! And this is just a reminder to all you motherfuckers out there. Nobody uses my account for bad jokes. Oh, and P.S. Where the fuck's Ness, you guys?